Okay, so this is like the overview of the room. I'm actually washing the sofa covers at the minute, that's why they're all white, because the covers are in the washing machine. But so we've got a door over there which comes from the front door, and then we've got a door here that goes into the dining room. So I'm just here. So we'll start over here. So I'm out of breath. So this is the sort of bay window bit. At the minute I'm a bit in between ornaments because we've had Christmas, and now I'm sort of deciding what to put back there, whether to keep it minimal like that or whether to put some more bits on. The thing is, the cats tend, well, especially Betsy, she tends to go and sits up there, so seems a bit silly putting stuff up there that she's just going to knock all the time. Okay, that's the cat's little tower scratching post thingy wongy. And then you've got the TV unit there. Just been watching my A&E programme. So I've got my friend's Central Perk mug. This was actually a candle, I think. Like a gift of a candle, but I just put candles in there now because I didn't want to get rid of it because I just love it. I've had that ages actually. I can't remember who got me that, but I've had it a good couple of years. And then I've got this, which my friend Jo gave me, which I like to put a little tea light in. It looks nice at night. And then one of my little lovely mum candles that Gracie got me. Again, that came with one, but I just fill it with tea lights or whatever. Then we've got the camera for the PlayStation, the Virgin box. Just give that a dust. And the PlayStation there. And then, in here, we've got a few DVDs. I'm not going to go through them all because I'll bore you. That's a bit messy. But that's games and like DVDs from when Josh used to do dancing and shows. And obviously there's some there of Gracie as well. There's loads of them, festivals and shows at the theatre and all sorts. And games and the Move controllers. And then in these two little things here, oh, it's dusty. And then in these, we've just got more like home movies. That sounds weird, but like, you know, like before the days of YouTube, we used to video stuff and put it on CDs, on discs. So that's them. So that's like from when Josh was a baby. Oh. And then in there is just some blank discs and just some cables. Need to dust that, I'm minging. I've got my lava lamp here. I'm going to turn that on actually. And I've got a Yankee candle there that my friend got me for Christmas. It smells beautiful. Ugh. Got a little picture of Gracie there. That was in, what was that? Mallorca, that was, when she had her hair braided. Another little candle there. I've got my giraffe there that my mum got me. Home Sweet Home candle. And then the fireplace. This is still out from Christmas because me and Gracie haven't actually got round to playing it yet. In for a penny. It looks a really good game. Actually, I say Christmas. It wasn't. I got it at New Year. Not that it makes a great bit of difference, but... And then that's just Gracie's box. Well, it's a box with some random... A couple of dinky deckers. And some wrappers that Gracie's left in there, little madam. And then we've got... That was the day of Josh's prom. One of my favourite pictures of me and him. Got another candle there. And a reed diffuser. Got my clock up there, I think that's from the range. This rug is from Dunelm. And then over here, we've got, it's a bit of a random corner really. Got a little basket there with a blanket in that we get out at night to snuggle with, or if we're watching a film or anything. I've got my little wax melter, a little ornament that Josh got me, another Central Perk candle, and a picture of Gracie at Halloween. I think that was 2 years ago. Year before last, maybe the year before that. I like that picture. And then under there, I've just got my massager, my shoulder massager and my massage gun case. And a, oh, what's it called, foam roller that I use on my back and my shoulders. Up there is blank at the minute. I think I want to get... I've seen this draft canvas at the range, so I think I want to get that there because it's just a bit bare there. On that wall I've got the canvas of Gracie. I love that picture. Little coffee table there. Little Central Perk mat coaster that my friend got me for Christmas. And behind here I've just got my, can you see, my heat mat, electric heat pad, and the plug for my shoulder massager. I suffer a lot with my joints and muscles and that's why I've got a lot of massages and stuff. And then on here I've just got the little remote control holder. It's got a lighter for the candles, pens, cat brushes, because I try and brush the cat whenever, the long-haired cat Evie, I try and brush her whenever I can on a night, so I have them there for easy access. I've got my giraffe lamp, which my mum got me, and then under there, this is Christmas DVDs in there. I'm not sure what I'm doing with them at the minute, but they wouldn't fit in the storage in Connie, so I've brought them in here, and I've just got my slippers on there. Picture of me and Josh, that was when Josh was about 6, I think, 2007. 5 he would have been. It depends what month. Yeah, he would have been 5. That was for my dad's 60th, I think. We had like family photos taken. And that's about it really. There's not a lot in here, but it's nice and homely. What I love about the lounge is it's like the adult room. So now Gracie's got Connie where she keeps all her toys and everything like that. The lounge is like, obviously she goes in there, but we don't keep toys in there. So there's no toys in there every evening. If there has been any toys in there from the day, which generally there isn't anyway, but things like a tablet and stuff that she'll do in there, or colouring, she puts it all away, and then it is just clutter free. So it's my little relaxation space, so I love that. Whereas at my old house we didn't have that. It was just like the lounge and then the kitchen, so everything was just everywhere. So I do like the fact that I can keep it nice and tidy like that. Yeah, so that's it. If you enjoyed that little quick tour, let me know, like it. If you want me to do any other room tours, I can do. Just either comment below or message me on Instagram. There we go, that's my sofas all clean now. That's what they look like with their cushion covers on. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.